Come test drive the 2005 300. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, body color door handles, brake park interlock, compact spare tire, electronic stability package, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, halogen headlamps, lock-up torque converter. Inside you'll find cruise control, leather shift knob. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.